Hello, it's Terry from Terry's Teeny Tiny Room with my latest addition to How's That Laundry / Craft Room coming along? Well, it's coming along quite well. I got my husband's shoes up off the floor in the drawer. It's supposed to be soft clothes. I got my Cricut and Creative Memories things in this drawer. Next drawer is all my Cricut. Oh no, those are Creative Memories. Yeah, this drawer was supposed to be bigger, but the lady who did this, she didn't listen. So, and those Cricut cartridges, I have more, but they didn't fit because the lady didn't listen. She's like a man, you know, in one ear and out the other when you're telling him things. I don't know about that. Anyway, so there's the last four. My friend Lynette will be happy that this cabinet is a little bit neater, especially on that top shelf. Yes, there's still things up there. Nothing I could do about that. That's a game cabinet up on the top. This one, that box with socks, goes to my newest granddaughter. Those things on the very top were things that my mom bought me, and I am it's hard to get rid of things that my mom gave me since she's not around anymore. But when I'm not around anymore, my children have no emotional ties to that, so they could do whatever they want. But I got all my things in here, and this drawer down here has my tape runners and all my little scissors. There's some glasses back there too. You never know when you'll need an extra pair of glasses. And my Creative Memories stuff back there. Oh, this one's nice. I like this one. We have more. Well, those are for the Cricut. Those are Creative Memories. That's also Creative Memories from that, what was that vote box that we got this year? Anyway, that's what that thing is. On the very bottom shelf, all my thread. That's a two-part. So I have thread underneath there also. And I have pins and needles and sewing needles for my sewing machine. All nice and neatly put in this drawer. I will have to do the floor still. I think my husband and I are going to start looking for some kind of tile to put on there. But I've been able to rearrange things up here on my Calyx and my Simply Tidy box number 7 things, whatever they are, I don't know. So I have all my Creative Memories papers and stuff in here. I do alphabetical order, so I know where they're at. I guess I could make some kind of file that would say whatever I have, but I have not done that yet. I'll think about it. But I also recently purchased, should I say that? Some, what is that place called? Stampin' Up! Their cardstock. And I have one of their paper things. It was cute. I like the colors. So I thought, I could use that. Oh, I also bought another one, a small one. It's up here in this cabinet. It's this one right here. Because it had ducks on it. And one of the things I'm going to be working on, my grandchildren were feeding ducks. So I thought, oh, that's cute. Whoops. That'll go really well with that. And back on this back wall, those are my little things. They're going to go on the pegboard. I'll be getting the pegboard hopefully this weekend and put all those on there. Again, reorganizing, But some lady had said that she bought that pen holder at the $1.25 plus tree. I thought, oh, that's a great idea. I am going to have to get that. And yeah, it was only $1.25. But I think I need one more. This one over here has those things that we got from that boat box. The little thingy with it. I bought that ink. But you never know when you might need a black ink. Those are very old. At one point, somebody had me convinced, oh, you need to do Stampin' Up. This is before Stampin' Up and Close to My Heart merged. But I never really did it. But I have a great idea for a layout. I just need to get that thing that makes it pop up. Over here, we have some more stickers. Oh, this one right here, this one's really cool. Because it makes, where's it at? Oh, there it is. It makes a heart. I don't know if you could see that. Oh, there it is. I like that one. The other one's just a circle. Then we have this one, more stickers, some creative memories, some not. And the last one is more stickers. And those are just loose stickers. Those aren't this, even counting the stickers that come with the collection that you buy. Like with all of these, Autumn Cottage, you know, they come with stickers and all that good stuff. Oh, here's a good one. Birthday Bonanza. But now I can actually sit down, not have to be on that little card table working on my scrapbooks. And this is the first day I've been in here after my husband did all the painting on the cabinet. He did an excellent job. And what else do we have here? Oh, this is one of the first things that I ever bought when I first started organizing my craft room. I got it at an estate sale, $12. And I thought, oh, that's a really good deal. Holds a lot of my stuff, so I can be able to move things around and keep it neat. Last thing you should look at is my sewing closet. I have 2 out of 3 of my sewing machines in here. Got the Brother up there. That is also a Brother, but it's an embroidery machine. I'm like a control freak. I cannot have anything sharp sitting out when I go to bed at night. So all my scissors and everything, they have to be put up. I have my light. One thing about this very small room is it's either too cold or too hot. There is no ducts in this room where I can get air or heat in here. So I either have a very small heater that I use, or that right there is a fan. And that's just how it goes. I don't think, I would like a mini split up there on top of that window, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. But I hope you like the little tour of my craft room. Maybe when I start working on my scrapbooks again, I'll give you a peek as to what they look like. Oh, and when the floor gets in, I'll do another video. But I'll do one when I put the pegboard up, because that's going to be super cool. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.